Language learning is like learning another language is like falling in love, or even better. The longer it goes on, the more beautiful they are. The better you come to know yourself, and you'll never be let down. Language learning is like 2 for the price of 1, or buy 1, get 1 free. You learn more about the other language, you learn more about your own. Language learning is like not a season ticket, but a lifelong ticket to all the best that the world has ever staged, and you have access. Language learning is like a time machine. You can go back to Middle French. You can go back to medieval Latin or ancient Rome. You can learn ancient Greek. You can even shape the future. Especially if you learn an endangered language, you can actually help build its future. What is language learning like for you? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to Language Learning Life.